Hello.
How are you, brother?
What is your name?
My name is Hamba Khamba Khamba Shamba Kalimba.
You look like a dude off of Afghanistan.
You look like a dude off McDonald's.
He.
Brother, come on. You don't got the face to be making this joke. Come on, bro. Country. Wow, he didn't want to sing for me. What kind of racism is this? Everybody's being racist to me. Allah, brother, what are you doing? Who's this? Hey! Haram, brother! It's a bomb. What the hell? What, brother?
What, brother?
What, brother?
What happens with you, brother?
Nothing happened to me, brother.
Yes, brother.
Yes, brother.
Have you got a problem with me?
I don't got a problem with you. Do you got a problem with me?
Nah, man, you got a problem with me.
You don't want me to be a problem. Believe me, my friend. Nobody does. I got scared, bro. Come on, I was just kidding, guys.
You again. You're the terrorist, right? Yeah, it'll be bumpers and shit.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I'm gonna put a coin between your teeth so you can shut the f up. I'm laughing, brother. I'm tickling. I'm not gonna make a joke about how you smell, brother. Levi Ackerman from Walmart. Can you hear me, brother? Oh, come on, brother. Brother, can I get you on a discount on Black Friday? What the hell, bro? You look like that iPhone emoji.
I am under the water.
Brother, you look like that iPhone emoji. Yo, PewDiePie from Walmart.
Can I tell you a joke? Don't get offended, okay?
Sure, yeah.
Okay, are you a terrorist? Cause you're the bomb. Yeah.
Ooh, what did you see? Did you see a demon or something?
Are you a monkey?
Ooh, are you a land whale? Says, what? Nice cat! Yo, Obama cat? What's up, brother? How are you? I mean, sister. No, sorry. What's up, sister? Yo, you kind of look like female Travis Scott. Oh, no, no, no! Haram. Don't want this kiss. I'll take it back and throw at her.
So, halal mode.
What are you looking at? Hey, stop looking at my shlunga bunga.
So, not halal mode.
Second of all, I'm not Indian, brother. I'm Arab. You know, there's a difference. Brother, I'm 9/11, not 7/11. Come on, like, you got to differentiate, brother.
You're funny, dude. You
Yeah,
have a great night.
Oh, that guy in the meme that says Siko Mod or Mobamba.
Oh my god, you're Joe.
Joe Mama? Suck my big balls. He got owned. He thinks because I'm Arab, I don't know this 21st century joke about Joe Mama. Yo, you're like a weight loss advertisement. Before and way before.
I don't know, bro, what you're saying.
Don't worry, brother. I'm not Panini. I'm not Panini.
Come on.
Your head looking like a mushroom, motherfucker.
You look like a mushroom.
Mushroom head, brother. Come on.
What just happened?
Oh, what did you see? A demon? Did you see a ghost? Where is he?
What? No, I was yawning.
Oh, you were yawning. All right.
Yeah.
Hey, your breath stinks. Come on, don't yawn at my freaking face. Go brush your teeth and come. What's up, brother? I saw you in a song. Travis Scott from Walmart. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Sister, you scared me. What the hell? My heart is bumping, bro. Bismillah ar-Rahman. Brother, what are you? Are you a brother or a sister?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the
Yo, why you got the bro? What the hell, bro? Haircut. Gingerino. I will not blow up your house, don't worry. Why are you scared? Ah, bazooka! Ah! Brother, why? Why are you taking picture, brother? Did you see an exotic animal or something?
A beast.
Oh, a beast?
Do you believe in women's rights?
Women's what?
Right.
I believe in women's rights and lefts.
That's funny, that is actually.
That is so bad.
What's up, sister?
Oh my god.
What the hell, brother? Are you a brother or a sister?
What's up, bro?
You're in the Navy, brother.
No,